Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 5, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is discussion about marks distribution. Lecture number 36. My dear students, already we have finished all kinds of topic of short question, broad question, finish, creative, I mean the competency based or the exercise related short question, broad question, all we have finished. And there is important information that is about the fill in the blanks and matching. My dear students, keep attention. For fill in the blanks and matching, you have to study your book. Inside the book, according to the short syllabus, you will read all the lines. Otherwise, you cannot give the proper answer of the fill in the blanks. So from chapter 1 to 3, you have to read again and again. Then inshallah, you can give the proper answer. And also, you will learn the exercise of fill in the blanks from chapter 1, 2, and 3. And I will discuss right now about the question, the marks distribution. What type of question will come in the exam and what will be the marks distribution. Students, see there, number 1, that is short question answer. So question number 1, there will be question answer 1 will be short question pattern, and each question answer marks will be 2 and question will be 15. So 2 multiply 15, 30. So short question answer you will get 30 marks. And I written here, you have to write all answer. I mean there will be no extra question in short question answer. So all 15 question answer you will give the answer. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks, any 12 out of 14. It means there will be 2 extra fill in the blanks. I already written here 2 fill in the blanks will be extra. So 1 multiply 12 equal 12. So fill in the blanks will be 2 extra. So according to the question, you will give 12 fill in the blanks only. You will count when you will write the answer. Sometimes some students mistakes, they think I written 12 question answer, but when we are checking the copy, then we are getting 11 or 10. But you have to write 12 fill in the blanks and 2 you can leave. Now number 3, matching. Matching, there will be 2 sides. In left side there will be 5 sentences and in right side there will be 7 sentences. It means 2 sentence right side will be extra, and each matching there will be 2 marks. So 2 multiply 5 equal 10. And students, I written here, you should pick up the both side sentence. I mean when you will do the matching, I already have shown you in the YouTube class from the exercise there is the matching. I have shown you how you will write the matching. So you will pick up the left side and right side, both side the sentences, but don't write only the Roman digit. Okay. Now number 4, there will be broad question answer and any 8 out of 10. It means total 10 broad question you will get in your question paper, but you have to give any 8 answer. And there will be 2 or 3 part in every broad question. Students, I already have shown you what type of question will be. There will be 2 or 3 part. So each broad question will be 6 marks and there will be 8. You have to give the 8 question answer. So 6 multiply 8, 48. So total is 100 marks. My dear students, broad question will be 2 or 3 part. For example, if I say you first question, broad question, one broad question will be what is salat? There is 1 marks. And then the second part will be what is ahkam of salat? Then the another marks. So total 2 marks. Then the third part of this question, write any 4 of the ahkam of salat. Any 4 of ahkam of salat. There will be 4 marks. So total is 6 marks. So like that, every broad question will be 2 or 3 part, or it can be 1 part also, but you have to give all of the part answer. So that's all for today, my dear students. I hope you understood, and already we discussed in the live class, and very soon we will get the another live class. You can ask me about the question pattern. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.